Hi friends, so in this video I will tell you a introduction on the opportunity in digital marketing. So this is my first lesson in the digital marketing course. So let's start. Topics covered in this lesson. So I will cover what is digital marketing, why digital marketing is the next big thing, our opportunity in digital marketing. Who can learn digital marketing? Is it for you? Can you learn it? How to learn digital marketing? So let us talk about what is digital marketing. So the art of getting customers for a business via online and digital mediums, social media, search engines, email marketing, content marketing, mobile marketing, and so on are some chapters for digital marketing. Digital marketing is much more complex than traditional marketing like newspapers, TV, radio, and magazine ads. Cause of digital marketing being much complex, that's why the demand of digital marketing experts is more. Why digital marketing is the next big thing? People used to consume content via TV, newspapers, magazines, and radio. But now people are using Facebook, YouTube, reading blogs, and so on. We have to advertise where people hang out. Companies need digital marketing help to manage and campaigns, ad campaigns out, and they will pay 10% on ad spends as salary or commission. So if you go for a job for digital marketing and help the company manage ad campaigns, they can also pay you 10% on ad spends as salary or commission. India has the second largest internet user base. So as you can see in this list, India is on the second position on the list of internet users, and it is currently having 718 million internet users active. So the first one is China. So the difference between both is around 200 million. So this value of India's internet active users is increasing yearly very much. So as you can see that this is a report of 2 3 years back. So at that time it was estimated that internet users in India can grow by at least 50 million yearly till 2020. Digital marketing spends are huge. So as you can see here in this image, so that US digital ad spending to surpass TV this year. So people who make ads are spending more than TV ads in the year 2016. So this is of 4 years back, but now also India is increasing and the demand of digital marketing and the spends are increasing more. So here you can see that digital channels account for 40% of advertising spend in China. So in this the thing is happening that the digital channels are paying 40% of advertising spend in China. So this is a report as per eMarketer. So here digital ad spending in US is around 72 million. So display is 34 million. Other part is 4.25 million and the search is 33.28 million. So this is the whole of the ads. So US is spending 72.09 million on ads only. It's a huge amount, and also India will be reaching this place in some years at a very fast range. What is our opportunity in digital marketing? With digital marketing, we can do personal branding, helps with jobs and entrepreneurship. We can help other companies as a consultant or an employee by being a digital marketing. expertise and helping them in ads, SEO, and etc. We can use the digital marketing knowledge to build our own business and working as a freelancer marketing. So, marketing is the most important function in any business. Digital marketing jobs and opportunities in India. Digital marketing jobs and opportunities in India. So, let's start it. So, now I will tell you some digital marketing jobs and opportunities which are available in India. So there are plenty of jobs in digital marketing in India. Digital marketing is also a new field. Thousands of companies are looking for digital marketing experts. There are not enough digital marketing experts in the market. Digital marketing jobs are one of the highest paying jobs in the industry today. So I searched the keyword digital marketing manager in India. So you can get up to 500 to 1000 above results or jobs for digital marketing manager in India. So as I got this on LinkedIn 930 results, you can also get around many results of these things in this field of digital marketing. How much do digital marketing jobs pay? For freshers, the salary starts from rupees 3.6 lakhs per year, sometimes rupees 4.5 to 5 lakhs per year. For 5 to 10 years of experience, the salary ranges from rupees 12 to 20 lakhs per year. For 10 plus years experience, it ranges from rupees 20 to rupees 50 lakhs per year. In some rare cases, it can also reach even 80 lakhs to 1 crore per year. So, if you are not interested in a job, you can use the knowledge of digital marketing to build your own business. Start a side business and bring a consistent stream of income. Many opportunities like video marketing, niche blogging, email marketing, etc. Consult clients on digital marketing strategies, charge per hour, or you can also start a digital marketing agency. So there are many websites on which clients ask for people who can do their projects so they ask for many digital marketing experts, so you can apply for their projects, and if they approve you, then you can also charge per hour from them. So mostly the project is around $1,000 to $10,000 and above. Who can learn digital marketing? So anyone can learn digital marketing. The subject of study doesn't matter. No tech background needed, no coding needed. So like I am also grade 7th grader student right now, and I also know digital marketing. So I didn't care about this subject, but I started to learn digital marketing. You can learn after 12th standard also, or during college, or as an experienced professional. You only need a computer and internet connection to learn and become a digital marketing expert. 5. How to learn digital marketing. The best way to learn is to self-learn with a guide who can guide you. I will be your guide to help you learn digital marketing if you learn from me. Books may not help because digital marketing is a fast changing field. So like if you buy a book today, in a month the concept will be a little bit changed, and if you check again in a year, then the whole concept would be changed. Digital marketing courses can help, but they cost rupees 50,000 to rupees 75,000. So the best courses cost like this. Also, you can learn from my lessons, practice, and grow your business or build your business for free. Start with personal branding and a niche blog. Create a blog for your personal brand, or you can also create a blog on your favorite topic. Start a blog, create online profiles, drive traffic to your blog, experiment digital marketing, and learn with your blog. This blog can bring income, prove your expertise in digital marketing, and could also become something big like your own agency or a company. What to expect in my free course? You can get an idea about digital marketing in this lesson. In every lesson, the different modules in digital marketing. So it's a vast ocean. Digital marketing is a vast ocean. How to start your own website or online project and grow it. So your platform for learning and experimentation can be domain hosting, WordPress, etc. How to build, how to do paid advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and more. So what's next? Start learning digital marketing today. Join the groups for discussion and new updates. So I will post the link below. Any questions, if you have, then you can mail me at codewithakshata@gmail.com. So thank you for watching till here. So you can also subscribe my channel. So if you have liked this video, then like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe my channel. Also don't forget to press the bell icon. You can also join my Telegram group. I will also be posting its link. So this is the group. You can also see the link in the description. I will also tell the link here also. I will go here. Let me just first check where is the link. So I will share the link with you here in the description, and thank you for watching till here, and I hope you like this. Also, I will come with these interesting lessons in my next videos also. Thank you.